Look at Yussi. Poor thing. Oh, completely overwhelmed by the flood of information pouring in from countless apps, drowning in the chaos of the digital overload. On top, he is covered with 1,000 tasks during the day. Everything under pressure. He has to admit that he needs help.
Hello, I'm your Microsoft Copilot expert. I'm the digital assistant you have been looking for. Don't worry, I've got you.
It's Microsoft Copilot, an intelligent assistant that can revolutionize and speed up your work life.
I can answer any question that you might have. For example, what is the difference between planner and lists? Or I can create a presentation, maybe about AI. The future is now. Keep calm and use Copilot.
Become an expert on Microsoft Copilot now.